So this is your unit for your light switches. And all I done to get it out, wee screwdriver around the top of it in the car and just gently prised it out. Wee connection at the back, 2 pins, just squeeze them and they'll fall out. Alright, so what to do, I've done this a couple of times as you can see, just showing other people, so this will be quite easy for me. In here, just bend it, see wee clips here, just pop them out. Do the same on this side, it pops out like that. Right, you don't need this just now. Right, bear in mind we are on already the 0 setting, so don't worry about these, it's fine. So on here, again you've got wee tabs there, there and there, a wee one there, and the same on that side, and the same on that side. So go in between, just gently prise them open like that. Ideally keep your finger over this part, because if you keep popping that, everything here pings off and lands all over your room. So get this bit in, come on, there you go, see, pop it on, careful, don't snap any bits. There you go, see? Easy. So, put that to the side, you'll have one of these. There's the wee white one in there, one like that. Your dial, the cover, and this. This is what you want. So there's wee tabs here and here, and here and here. Obviously they're missing on mine, but they will not be on yours. Sand these down or file them down, or use a pair of snips. Anything you want, just take it rid of it, make it nice and smooth. Right. And then once you've got it to a circle, just pop it back on, and it will snap back into place. Right, like that. Then this is a wee spike, and if you look inside, there's wee holes. You're aiming for that one, right in here. So if you can, yeah, there you go. That's what you're going for, in there. No, I'm telling a lie. That's the other bit. Aim that right in there. There you go. So it comes in the big crescent moon. See? Like that. Now, I made a mistake there, but this is the one that goes in that hole. So you just push that in, and it will sit perfect. Like that. Your wee ring, a wee retaining ring. Now there's a ridge along the top. Ridge goes to the top. Pop that in over that, and it will hold it all in place. Align up your faceplate cover. Once it's good, snap it in. Now, at this point, you'll be wanting to pop your headlight button out, your angle button, your adjuster, and set it at 0. Push it back in. Right, because if you don't, Then you put the back plate back on again, it'll be sitting slightly off and it'll just annoy you after a wee while. Right, so set it at 0 and just make sure it doesn't move. Now, on goes that way. Right. Inside, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but there'll be a wee plastic slider in there. That is the slider that the black plastic bit needs to align up to. So we had it at 0, so put it back to 0. If you put it in there, you miss this bit. So put it in 0, where you started. The rubber tabs, they're for the back of your buttons. So put them back on again. They just cover up exactly where the buttons are. You'll see the buttons on the inside. Here's my other one, it's there. Again, make sure your headlight adjuster is at 0. Take that, clip back in. And that's it. Oops, that's came off. And that's it. Easy.